Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView. Welcome to episode number 85 of Trading Talk. Thanks very much to Lubos from Slovakia for this fantastic idea in this episode. What he wanted to do is he wanted to build up some different bar patterns and define different types of bars using variables that he can change in MT4. So I think everybody's really going to enjoy this particular episode. Also, we're completely sold out of Algo Trading Conference tickets. I'm sure you've heard me talk about it over and over again. We have been calling around to confirm everybody, and just like with any event, there are a couple of people who are going to be unable to attend. So I do have one or two tickets available if anybody does want one. Give us a call on 0390185438 or here to get in touch with us from the website, and we'll see what we can do in terms of getting you a seat. It's going to be a fantastic event. I've talked about it over and over. We've got three professional traders, Dr. Tom Stark, Kevin Davey, and Ali Ghali, the head of trading here at TradeView. There's going to be 5 models presented all together. Lots and lots of work's gone into it. There's going to be over 100 people there. It's going to be a fantastic event. So if you don't have a ticket, get one of these last couple and come along. Hope you enjoy this episode, and until next week, all the best with your trading.